The province of Cagayan is a part of the Luzon Island group in the Cagayan Valley region or Region 2. It is composed of 1 city, 28 municipalities, and 820 barangays. The provincial center or the provincial capital is the city of 𝗪𝗓𝗢𝗓. The province of Cagayan is bordered clockwise from the north by the Balintang Channel, Philippine Sea, Isabela, Kalinga, Apayao, and Ilocos Norte. The municipality of Abulog is composed of 20 barangays. The municipality of Alcala is composed of 25 barangays. The municipality of Alacapan is composed of 27 barangays. The municipality of Amulong is composed of 47 barangays. The municipality of Apari is composed of 42 barangays. The municipality of Bagao is composed of 48 barangays. The municipality of Ballesteros is composed of 19 barangays. The municipality of Bagay is composed of 30 barangays. The municipality of Calayan is composed of 12 barangays. The municipality of Camalanigan is composed of 28 barangays. The municipality of Claveria is composed of 41 barangays. The municipality of Enrile is composed of 22 barangays. The municipality of Gataran is composed of 50 barangays. The municipality of Gonzaga is composed of 25 barangays. The municipality of Igig is composed of 23 barangays. The municipality of Lalio has 35 barangays. The municipality of Lasam is composed of 30 barangays. The municipality of Pamplona is composed of 18 barangays. The municipality of Piña Blanca is composed of 24 barangays. The municipality of Piat is composed of 18 barangays. The municipality of Rizal with 29 barangays. The municipality of Sanchez Mira with 18 barangays. The municipality of Santa Ana with 16 barangays. The municipality of Santa Praxedes with 10 barangays. The municipality of Santa Teresita with 13 barangays. The municipality of Santo Niño with 31 barangays. The municipality of Solana with 38 barangays. The municipality of Tuaw with 32 barangays. And the city of 𝗪𝗓𝗢𝗓, which also serves as the provincial capital and the regional center, has 49 barangays. And once again, those are the 28 municipalities and 1 city comprising the province of Cagayan. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.